Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple fix for the tabs opening automatically at starting up issue on Opera GX. So let's get started. Now let's assume guys you have this issue, and whenever you open up Opera GX on your computer, these tabs from the previous session start popping up here at the top. Now as you can see, it's currently not happening to me, but if that's the case for you guys, there's a simple fix you may apply. So all you need to do here in our start page is click on that gear icon on the left sidebar to access your browser settings, and inside your browser settings simply scroll down to the very bottom of it till you get to the on startup section here. So here you will have a variety of options to choose from, like for example begin fresh with start page or retain tabs from previous session, which I assume may be on default for you because that's what's causing that issue. So whenever you open up Opera GX will automatically reload all open tabs from the previous session on startup. So simply switch to begin fresh with start page or to open a specific page or set of page, and that should fix the issue permanently guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.